So B.Sc Mass Communication is a 4-year course spread through 8 semesters as usual. And these are the first semester courses. The course codes, course titles, credit units, the amount you pay for the course materials of each course. The exam fee is usually 1,000 for undergraduate students, and the total fee, which comprises of course material plus exam fee, 3,500 for this first course, and so on. And that sums up to 31,500. And with the compulsory fee of 36,000 for new students, first year 100, first semester 100 level, 36,000. If you sum it up, your first school fees is 67,500 naira. Now here you see 23 of 23. This means you are required to pass all the courses here. The whole 23 units, you're supposed to pass all of them. So when we go to second semester, you see some changes. There's 100 level second semester, and these are the courses. You have only 2 GST courses. Then never ever ignore GST courses. You must register all of them that you saw in your portal. You register all. And here are the credit units, the course materials, the costs, and that sums up to 45,500. This is because from second semester to 100 level up onwards, you'll be paying 18,000 compulsory fee, no longer 36 as you did at the previous semester 100 level first semester. Here also you have 19 units. You may pick any other course in the portal to increase this to maybe 24 if you like, and that will give you more chances to pass because your 19 is what is required. So when you add more courses and you fail one, you may not need to rewrite that one because you have made your 19 units. You may keep it aside. Okay, when we go to 200 level first semester, you have these courses, 1 GST. You still have 21 of 21. You might add any other course if you wish. Pick one other course. It will give you much opportunity to make this 21. But remember, the more you add these courses, the more you have extra fees to pay to add to your school fees. Okay, so you have 47,500 here for this first semester 200 level. So when we get to second semester 200 level, you have these courses, 2 GSTs, and 17 units are required, but you registered 19, which means one way or another, if you failed one of these courses that have 2 units, for instance, you may not be held down, except these GSTs. Never ever play with GST courses. They could bring you back for a new semester school fee. Okay, so you have 17 for, you have 19 for 17. You're looking for 17 out of those 19. Okay, so we move to 300 level first semester, and you have these courses, pure mark courses. You also have to pass all of them if you registered only these ones. If there's any other course in the portal and you will wish to add any of them, you can go ahead and do so. Your fee is 41,500 for first semester 300 level. Then second semester 300 level, you have these classes, just the 302 entrepreneurship. Is very important for you and everyone, and there's a reason NOUN is pushing for that course, because when you graduate there might be no job, but having experience in that area, you will have the opportunity to start up your own business. You don't have to wait for a job. Okay, so you have 21 units, you've registered 22 units, and you're expected to pass up to 21. Remember also, you have media attachment. This is your IT course. 6 units and 10,000 for the fee, the course material. So, and you have a total of 50,000 for this semester. You're supposed to pass all of these courses. No exception. No exceptions. Okay, so we move to 400 level. First semester, you are required to pass 16 units, and if there's any other course in the portal, you may add them. Your fee is 38,000. This is first semester 400 level. Okay, so we go to second semester 400 level. You have all these courses with your project included. You're expected to pass 19 units, so you might register more if there's any to give you an edge to pass properly. And you have 34,500 to pay, which includes your which in this case it excluded your fee, your project fee. So if you add it to this, you should be having 49,500. So that's your fee. And in this case, you've carried, these are the units you've registered, 160 credit units. You have registered 160 and you are expected to pass 155 if you started from 100 level. Then if you started from 200 level direct entry, you are expected to pass a minimum of 125 as well. If you pass all of them, no problem. So that's it. Your fee is for your fee here. You have 49,500. That's 50,000. 50,000. That's it for 400 level, and that's it for B.Sc mass communication. These are the courses, the credit units, and the fees you're supposed to pay, including the duration of the course. If you are on flexible mode, you might divide each course from each semester into 2, which will sum it up to a maximum of 16 semesters instead of 8 semesters. That's the maximum you could have in this program.